It's time to wish one of my favorite brands happy anniversary! Hey guys, it's Crystal, and today we are swatching the 6th anniversary duo from Glam Polish. Yes, Rachel has been making crazy awesome creations for 6 years now. Can you believe it? I was kind of blown away. I thought they were at 3 or 4 years. I've somehow lost track of time. To start off, we have You Had Me at Hollow. This is a gorgeous fuchsia ultra holographic with holographic flakies. As you know, all the ultra holographics have like the super fine hollow micro glitter and the ultra holographic glitter bits and just so much hollow, they're unreal. This one goes on really sheer looking at first, but the color and the pigment is so bright that I honestly from the start was like, okay, this is going to be a 2-coater. I wasn't so sure about the other one in the duo, but this one I could tell was going to be fine in 2 coats. And as you can see, those like little hollow flaky bits are popping. They give the polish just an extra little bit of sparkle and an extra bit of shine. I feel like I'm lisping here. If I'm lisping, I'm sorry. I got 2 teeth pulled like less than 48 hours ago now. But I'm able to talk fine. My tongue is hitting my mouth in weird spaces because there's still some swelling and I don't sound normal. I'm trying to modulate it, but it's not working real well. As you can see though, this went on in 2 coats and it is so bright and so pretty. I love both these colors. You guys know pink and purple are the way to my heart. But this ultra hollow finish with the flakies is gorgeous. And normally I hate flakies. Next we have Leave a Little Sparkle Wherever You Go. This is a perfect, this is the base shade is my favorite shade of purple. It's a perfect purple ultra holographic with the holographic flakies in it. This one, when I first put it on, I was thinking it was going to be a 3-coater. Because as you can see, it goes on really, really sheer. And I was kind of concerned that with it being so sheer initially, I would need another coat to kind of get full build up. And then another coat to cover bald spots, as I call them on my nails. Little spots where you can still barely see the nail through. But I was really impressed because this one went on in 2 coats too. I don't know why it comes off so sheer at first, but you get full payoff and full opacity with the 2 coats. And I love it. Of the duo, this is my favorite. I love pink and purple, but purple is always going to be my favorite overall with all of these. I can't help it. These are actually going to release. They will release November 22nd during the Black Friday sale at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you love them, definitely set an alarm for them. I have way more photos and details on my blog post linked in the description box. As usual though, if you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more fun stuff and tutorials and Christmas. And I will see you guys next time.